Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a product I recently bought, and I'm really disappointed with this product. This is what you get for going, trying something new. And as a makeup artist, I do like to try new things, but I have got my staples, so the professional brands that I use, Kryolan, NARS, RCMA, that sort of thing. But I thought I'll just try something different, and it's the Too Faced highlight blush and bronzing veil face palette. Bit of a mouthful, so it's beautiful. I mean the packaging is absolutely stunning. It feels lovely as well, and this is sort of engraved right in. It's textured as well, so looks lovely. But for the price you pay, and it, again, sorry, just going back to how lovely it looks there, but yeah, the price that you pay is just, the products are just not good for professional makeup, especially if you're doing photographic work as well, because the shimmers in this are going to reflect so badly on camera. So the only two I would probably use out of this, and maybe these, but I'll explain why I won't be using that too much in a second, but these two are actually matte bronzers, blushes. Actually, that pink one's got a slight sheen to it. This one's definitely matte though. I will use those two maybe for wedding makeup, but one of the reasons I actually bought this was because I wanted a creamy highlighter, which the one I normally use is the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow, this one. So you see it's just off-white, very light gold. It's absolutely perfect for highlighting the brow bone, cheeks, lips, inner eye, really nice. So I thought I'll try something different, and that's what I actually wanted this one to be. But I'm going to show you, well, hopefully you'll see it on camera, but if you look really closely in the light, this one has got loads and loads of pink particles in it, which are just not going to sit nice on people's skin. I know some people have pinky undertones, but you don't really want a pink sheen on the skin. It just doesn't look very nice. And same with this one, although I wanted a light golden, like sort of champagne highlighter, that has got like really yellow particles in it, really shimmery yellow. So I have put some on the back of my hand, and I hope you'll be able to see it. But honestly, for the money, it's just not worth it. I don't know if you can see there. See how yellow that is? It just, and again, people have yellow undertones in their skin, but you don't want that bouncing off your skin, especially if you're doing wedding or beauty editorial makeup. It's just going to look cheap and tacky. So let me just get a little bit of the pink one. So I'm really disappointed because it looks lovely, but when I opened it, I was like, no. So you can see the pink one there. It's just not, you just do not want that on your skin. The sort of highlighters you want are the ones that look like skin. So the Kryolan Illusion, the cream, oh my god, I use that all the time, it's amazing. This one from the Bronze and Glow palette is lovely. I have got a little bit of that on today, but it's just more natural looking. You don't want that reflective surface on the skin because it just photographs really badly as well. So yes, really disappointed in the highlighters. Are just not, and you can tell these have been made more for mainstream and not professionals because of that as well. And also the bronzers, which you should never bronze with a shimmer particle in the product. Same with contouring, always should be matte. And unfortunately, that top one and the bottom one have got a bit of a sheen and a bit of a shimmer to them. So I will not be. They're not too bad actually. They're not as bad as the highlighter shades, but they've still got a tiny bit of. Yeah, that one definitely has. That one's not too bad actually, but this one has. And again, not really something I would use on brides or photographic work. I like it to be a bit more matte, and although I do like to add interest into the skin with, highlighting the skin in certain areas, it's got to be the right texture and the right finish, not too shimmery or too glittery. So I think this was about £35, so although it looks lovely, I'll probably only use half of that palette, and I might not, I'd say 2 or 3 pans out of that I would probably use. I did actually get a sample of their mascara as well, which is okay. Too Faced better than Sex mascara. It's not, it's alright. The one mascara I do actually love is the NARS Climax Extreme. That's amazing. But yeah, I am. If you're just someone that wants, you know, a little bit of blush, you don't mind shimmer in your bronzer, and you're maybe not a professional and you just want to use it for every day, fine. But for pros, I would definitely not recommend this. But I will put the details in the description so you can have a little look if you want, and I'll be back with more product reviews soon. So have a good day, everyone. See you soon. Bye.